No sponsors, but we're gonna see how these really work. The KitchenAid attachment. These are just regular wheat berries. And I put this thing so you adjust the coarseness like that. So I just cranked it, you know, all the way to that. Here we go. You put it on high. So it's not very fast. It's about the speed it goes. You don't want to force this down either and stick your finger in there. You'll come back with a shorter finger. And this will all turn red. About a minute and a half into it. After 5 minutes, we've got about 1 cup ground. But that's on the finely setting here. If you had it over here, I mean, it's just chunks come through, so. And the instructions say do not grind more than 10 cups without letting your mixer cool off. So right here, you can overheat your mixer. So this thing's not like for production or something like that. It's a little bit finer than fine ground cornmeal. That's what it feels to me like. So 1 cup measuring cup. All right, we're going to go ahead and stop it. So that right there will eat your finger. So, you know, can we stick our finger? Well, it depends how long your fingers are, but, you know, don't do it. You get down there, fingers go out, red stuff goes in, then you have pink flour. Anyway, yeah, it's about 10 minutes for 2 cups, something like that, you know. And then next we're going to take, for finer flour, now, personally, I think we should have the old crank sifters. I didn't put all that in there. Just hang on. Don't do that much. So what mesh screen is this?
I don't have any clue.
Well, okay. Well, we don't know what mesh screen this is, but you could you can buy different screens of different they call them meshes.
Baker screens, baker sifters.
Okay, a baker sifter then. So you can see how well it does, but this is just a kind of a finer screen here.
Yeah.
So that stuff there is good then to bake with?
Yeah.
Okay. So this stuff here,
It's not as fine as store-bought flour, but it's still very fine.
yeah, so once you let it hydrate,
You may have to increase your liquid.
yeah. So it's fine enough for making some rustic bread with on the first grind, and I don't think I'm gonna go the second grind except on what's left over in here. So we'll probably grind that a couple times and we'll see how that goes. So we'll finish sifting this and then we'll run the other stuff back through the mixer. All right, so we're still sifting it. So far it's about 2 cups of flour in the glass bowl, and here's the other parts left over. We'll run that back through. So it's getting about 1.5 cups of flour per 1 cup of green.
Would have to grind a whole lot more because my...
She was saying you could save these and put them in muffins and stuff like that, but we'll run them back through just to see, and that way we'll get the shells and everything in there. I mean, this is not super coarse, but there again, it depends on the what type of screen you have and how thick. This stuff here feels kind of like cornmeal to me, but it's got flour mixed into it, so it's not super coarse. All right, so we got about a, I don't know, half cup maybe of stuff left over. Let's go a lot faster now. So this is just a regrind. We'll sift it again and we'll see what does or doesn't come through, but I can already tell it's definitely regrinding it good. We did our regrind here. I don't know if that's 100 mesh, maybe, I'm not sure. So I'm just going along here. I mean, you can tap your hand if you want to, whatever, but you know, you can do that. If you want to make a mess, you can do this. That works too. I mean, it's kind of fun. You're playing the game, making different shapes with it. But she was doing this. Now, as you do this, you know, your flour's gonna kind of go through and plug up some of the holes, but remember, this has already went through the screen one time, so if we keep shaking it, it'll keep going through. So this part here, second grind through. I mean, to me, that's fine. I wouldn't mind having that in bread. I'll dump it back in the mixer, though, but I think it's fine. I hope that helps you make a decision. Is it worth it? That depends on you. We do have a larger KitchenAid mixer. My mother said it goes a lot faster using the large one because it spins quicker, but it's about 5 minutes per cup. So I hope this helps somebody, and, you know, have a great day.